Hi friends, welcome back to Chris Trading Academy. So this is Nifty 50 chart, okay? 50 index. So here, so yesterday we have discussed, right? If at all, if it opens exactly at the same level, let me place the pivot levels of daily. See, so we have discussed this gap yesterday. If you see, right, it almost, okay, see there, it tried to come down to this level. Which level? The 200-day moving average, if you see here, okay, right? And the price opened exactly where the price closed. There is no gap up or gap down today in Nifty. And once we discuss about Bank Nifty, we'll see what exactly happened there as well, okay? So today what I specifically done is, okay, see, once the I told you, right, first half an hour I won't touch it. And if you see, right, this is a 5-minute chart. So how many candles here? This is a 15 minutes and here 15 minutes. So then what I have done personally is, see, keeping in view, right, in view, I didn't take any trade here basically, okay, because let me show you. So let me show you here. If you see, right, this is where, okay, this is where the first support, initial support after half an hour, exactly around 5 to 10, okay, that particular time it happened, okay, this thing, if you closely watch. Then again this price tried to move upside, but it didn't take off this, okay, and slowly what happened is it tried to build a trend, but I didn't take here as well. Why? Because, okay, if you see, right, again I know that it might be range bound, okay, it might be range bound, and unnecessarily why to waste time, money, and again our patience showing all the emotions, right? What is the point of just getting into a trade where there is no trend? But after seeing this candle, this red bar, I thought, if this low was taken, initial first low was taken, then I thought of entering, okay. And after seeing again this candle, if you see this candle hammer, again I got a doubt, okay. So this candle, I mean to say this one. So then, okay, then simply finally what I have taken is, okay, just once this support is taken, okay, this particular support is taken, so then I made sure that, okay, I want to enter immediately after this point. So then my target is as simple as that, okay, from exactly 720, okay, I just tried to book some 25 points, not more than that, because I'm going with some 3 lots, okay. So three lots means you'll get some kind of 2000, okay, for 10 points. So 25 points means you'll definitely get some kind of 5500 around that, okay. So forget about that profit and loss. What I have done, I am telling you here, okay. So that's what the main intention of sharing this thing. Initially I didn't do anything here, I told you, and here also I didn't apply any short here. Why? Because the price opened exactly here at the previous day's close and it made a low, but it never came down here also, right? Then I waited for again this whatever this ceiling might take off or not. But what happened? Nothing happened actually, in the sense, if you see closely, whatever this ceiling was there, right, it didn't take off this, right, initially. So at this point of time I didn't take any trade, but this point, okay, once this low was taken, I know that one more new low is going to happen, and that low is around where exactly almost to the 200-day moving average. But I didn't wait till this point of time. After this, okay, this particular whatever here, right, immediately once this support is taken, I entered, okay, with a stop loss exactly above that candle only, because if I lose, right, I lose only one candle. So I made sure that I enter here and I book 25 points. So this is what I have done today. I just want to explain to you guys so that how to take a trade and how much time you need to wait also is the most important thing. If you closely watch here, so basically, okay, see the time, actually it's around 11 o'clock. Okay, I waited till this point of time. See this point of time, see here, okay, so 11 o'clock means until and unless I get a right picture, okay, yeah, I trade with a very small lot size, and yeah, I'm a small trader, but I'm a professional trader, in the sense I wait for an opportunity and I make sure that I enter in my zone, not in an operator's zone or in a zone where I get trapped. Okay, so personally, what a professional means those who do the things differently, the same thing they'll do differently, that's it, and make the things simpler, not complex. Okay, so making sure that things will be done in a simpler way. Okay, so they themselves make sure that they are not getting into any other one's traps. Okay, so normally professionals will do in any kind of business, in any kind of platform, they are skilled people. Okay, they show their skills. This is what I have done. This is something like knowing everything but not using at the right point of time, right intervals, right timing. Okay, people who are going to watch this in future, this video also, they might be knowing everything what I told you now. Everyone knows that, most of you know at least, but have you waited for an opportunity or not? It's up to an individual. Okay, so first I would say take off your emotions, plan the things. If your plan is not going to hit, actually is not going to be successful on that day, wait for the price to come to your zone, else let the price give you an opportunity rather than you take a forceful entry. Okay, so this is what I want to tell you guys today. So this is how I book some 25 points profit. Okay, and for future also I don't want to share my anything. Okay, I just want to share how I take a trade and what exactly it was happened, and whether whatever I was successful or I was unsuccessful. Okay, I'll be showing those things only. Okay, not PLN statements or something like tips. Okay, not that, all that whatever stuff. Okay, which is not at all useful for you. Thank you guys.